Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. PyTorch Lightning is a lightweight PyTorch wrapper that simplifies the training and validation loop for deep learning models. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the validation step in PyTorch Lightning and provide a code example to demonstrate its usage. PyTorch Lightning is a high-level library that standardizes and simplifies the training loop for PyTorch models. It abstracts away many of the boilerplate code, making it easier to focus on the architecture and experiment with different models. In PyTorch Lightning, the validation step is a crucial part of the training process. It allows you to evaluate your model's performance on a separate validation dataset during training. This helps in monitoring the model's progress, preventing overfitting, and making informed decisions about when to stop training. The validation step is defined within the Lightning module, and it typically involves forward passing the validation data through the model, calculating the loss, and optionally computing additional metrics. Let's create a simple PyTorch Lightning module and include a validation step. For this example, we'll use a basic convolutional neural network, CNN, for image classification. In this example, the simple CNN class defines a basic CNN model, and the validation_step method calculates both the validation loss and accuracy. The validation_epoch_end method computes the average loss and accuracy over the entire validation dataset for the current epoch. Adjust the hyperparameters and model architecture according to your specific task and dataset. Using PyTorch Lightning makes it easier to organize and train deep learning models. Incorporating the validation step allows you to monitor your model's performance during training, ensuring that it generalizes well to unseen data. Feel free to modify this example to suit your specific needs and experiment with different models and datasets. ChatGPT